I take projects and we take them through a first phase of testing, and then I kind of line all that up, make sure we're communicating, assign our different field guys to those sites, and make sure they're having a good customer experience with us. If I told my 10-year-old self that I'd find myself in agriculture later on in life, I would have never believed myself. But through just my career path and things like that, I started out at Raven about 5 years ago in an IT role, and now I get to do something I love every day and help make farmers' operations better overall, make them more efficient. I think the great thing about agriculture in general is there's so many different places you can go. You can find something like I did that you're passionate about and then go towards that area in the egg industry, whether it's something like my role where you're working a lot with customers and making sure they're having a good experience, that you could go into egg finance, you could do, soil sciences and things like that. You could do project management, program management, you could be an engineer. There's so many different places you can go in the egg industry. My advice to women or girls wanting to get into the egg field is really find something you're passionate about and then just kind of start going out there and seeing if you can shadow someone, or seeing if you can call the company and see if they have any opportunities where you can kind of take a tour, things like that. And there's so many different areas in the egg industry where you can actually find something that you like to do and you feel passionate about and you can go for it. Whether that be if you're into engineering, or like if you're in a role like me where you're really wanting to interact with customers and make them have a good experience. If you like the marketing side of egg and you want to go there and show great products and things like that, that makes a big statement. For our family farm, my great-grandmother, about 100 years ago, she purchased 160 acres. We don't know how she did it or where she got the money for it, but she did. And so since then, it's been kind of a tradition to pass it down to other women in the family. So it passed down from my great-grandma to my grandma, then to my mom, and eventually it will pass down to my sister and myself. And then my sister actually has a daughter, and then I hope to also pass it down to my 2 girls that I'll be having here soon. So I think if my girls are interested, I'm definitely gonna tell them, there are so many opportunities here that are great opportunities where you can find something that you're truly passionate about and go for it.